Hello, this is Lisa from Happy Stamp, and today we're going to make this card. This is my 12th project in my 13 spooky projects of Halloween. So just a really fast card. I am using the rectangle shapes, the ornate frames with the Spooktackar Bash, that's a bundle. Itty bitty greetings for the trick or treat, the enamel shapes, and then I have a piece of basic black cardstock that is 5.5 by 8.5, and I'm going to score that at 4 1/4. A piece of Whisper White that is 4 1/4 by 5. And then I just have two scraps of, I have a scrap from the Monster Bash Designer Series paper, and this is about 5 by 4 1/4, and this piece of crust curry is 5 by 5.5. But I'm going to be cutting those out with their rectangle, stitched rectangles. So let's go ahead and get that done. I'm going to, on the piece of crust curry, I'm going to use the biggest rectangle, and the piece of Designer Series paper, I'm going to use the next one down. So let's, I'm going to just get these run through the Big Shot real quick. Sometimes I need to put mine through twice. Sorry about all the shaking. Alright, so there's that piece. And then this piece for the next one down. It also helps if you also run them at an angle. That also helps. That one. Get these out of the way here. Alright, so these can be sandwiched together. Just going to take some Tombow here. And put those together. Alright. I am going to stamp my sentiment and kind of let that dry. While I put the ribbon on the other one. So I am using the Spooktackar Bash. I'm using, have a Spooktackar Halloween here. And my Memento Black. Put that down here. Alright, good. So I'm going to let that dry while I put the basic black scalloped edge ribbon around this piece of my card. So we'll just going to make a simple knot. I move the ribbon all over the place while I'm trying to tie a knot. right. And I will take my ribbon scissors. Just give that a cut. And that a cut. I'm just going to trim this off just a hair more. Okay. And I'm just going to move that over just a tad. Okay. Then I'm going to take my ornate frames, and I'm using this one right here. And I'm going to just line that up and run this through the Big Shot. After a nice rainy day yesterday, we're having a beautiful day today. All right, there is that. Back in here. All right, and then I'm going to take a couple of dimensionals. I'm just going to use up these bits right here. I don't want it to stick to the ribbon, so I'm putting it on the top and the bottom. All right, and then that's going to go right on here. There we go. Then I'm going to take my enamel shapes, and I'm going to take one of the crows here. Let me see. I want this one right here, so I'm going to take that out of this one. Of course, you can use any one you want. That and put that right here, so it's kind of sitting right on the R there. Then I'm going to take some of the black enamel shapes and put a couple around. Alrighty. Alright, so this can go on the front of our card, which I have not scored yet. Let me get my Simply Scored here. This is going to get scored at 4 1/4. Fold this in half. A nice crease with my bone folder. And then did I pop this up with dimensionals? Yes, I did. So I'm going to take some of the black dimensionals this time. Oops. Oh well. I didn't get it off. There we go. And then this can go on the front of our card. There we go. All right, and for the inside of our card, I'm going to take our itty bitty greetings, and I'm going to use the trick or treat. And the memento again. And that's just going to go right in the middle. And then I'm going to take another one of our enamel shapes, and I'm going to use the tombstones down here. And I'm just going to put that down in the corner for a little something on the inside. And I will take some snail. Right, and then that can just go right in here. And we are done. Alright, so there's that one, and here's that one. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them. All supplies can be purchased through my online store at happystamp.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.